Okay, we are on to the last section of the first tab of this document where we are going to find the loan payments. So the loan payments for a college loan. So we've done a car, which is typically a 5-year loan. We've done a house, which is typically a 30-year loan. And then finally, we're going to do a college loan, which is usually 10 years. So I have found a college, Simpson College, of course. Filled that information in Indianola, Iowa. Then I went to the Simpson College website, searched around, pretty simple to find. Obviously, like admissions usually is a good place to go, and then they have a tuition. Or just Google your school and you might find it pretty quickly that way. So the tuition, $41,466. I will say that very few people, something like 1% or less of people that go to Simpson, pay that entire amount between financial aid, scholarships, and especially if you're working while you're in college, which a lot of people are able to do. So don't let these numbers scare you. First thing we need to do is find our loan amount. So you will go to Simpson College for 4 years if you choose to start there and graduate from there. So I'm going to do equals, and I'm going to take the yearly tuition amount times. So multiplying using an asterisk, so shift and then the 8 key, times the 4 years. So again, I reference these cells by clicking them instead of hand typing those numbers out. Then hit enter. So the total amount, assuming I don't work, I get no financial aid and no scholarships, would be $165,864. I'm going to determine now using our PMT function how much I'm going to pay a month for 10 years at 6.8%. So the first thing PMT asks you is the rate. So PMT is 0.068, comma, the period, that's 10 years, comma, negative sign, and then I'm going to reference my loan amount, and then right parentheses, and divide by 12 to get me my monthly payment, and hit enter. So that would be my monthly college loan payment if I had to pay this entire amount back to Simpson College. Not very likely, but that is how we will do this. So you will find 2 more colleges. If you want to use Simpson, great. Or find 3 colleges if you're not interested in Simpson. And you'll do that 3 different times.